Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer GitLab Analytics data into Snowflake, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have access to both your GitLab account and your Snowflake environment. Log into your GitLab account and navigate to the project whose analytics data you wish to export. Locate the Analytics section in the left sidebar. Select the type of analytics data you want to transfer, such as repository analytics, CI/CD analytics, or others. Export the selected analytics data to a CSV or JSON file using the built-in export functionality. Save the exported file to an easily accessible location on your local machine. Next, log in to your Snowflake account. Identify the database and schema where you want to load the GitLab Analytics data. Create a staging area within Snowflake to facilitate the data load process. Use the Snowflake command line interface or web interface to create a staging table that matches the structure of your exported file. If you exported a CSV file, set up a Snowflake file format for CSV, specifying any options you require. Upload the CSV file from your local machine to the Snowflake staging area using the put command. Once the file is uploaded, use the copy into command to transfer data from the staging area to the target table in your Snowflake database. Check the loaded data for accuracy by running queries against the target table. Adjust any data types or transformations as necessary to ensure the data integrates smoothly with existing datasets. Finally, schedule regular updates for future analytics data exports using GitLab's API in conjunction with Snowflake's data loading capabilities. This setup will allow for ongoing analysis of GitLab data directly within Snowflake. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.